The lives of the Gazan people continue to deteriorate, driving many deeper into poverty and unemployment. Almost 80% of the population in Gaza are dependent on external assistance. With restrictions on free movement, the ongoing blockade, and the collapse of infrastructure, people are vulnerable. 90% of the water in Gaza is deemed unfit for human consumption. The 1.8 million populace of Gaza still lives in constant hardship. Currently, healthcare facilities are overstretched and lack sufficient support for training and development of future medical professionals. Years of decline, conflict, and closure threaten the health of the entire population, especially that of infants and expectant mothers. The situation is dire, and there seems no end to the suffering of the people of Gaza. Al-Khair Foundation is currently in the process of completing a landmark project in Gaza, located between Khan Younis and Rafah. This will be the first of its kind in the region. A 5-story Al-Khair General Hospital. It stands to be the fastest construction project in the history of Gaza and is expected to provide access to expert healthcare to a population of around 620,000 people in the region. The hospital will also provide specialised maternal healthcare with a capacity to treat over 120 women and children a day, as well as 100 people via its outpatient clinics. Tonight, we ask you to donate generously and assist us in completing this momentous hospital by sponsoring a square metre for just £247. Come together and sponsor 10 square metres for only £2,475. Build a part of history by sponsoring a room for £4,750. Or decide tonight to leave a legacy in Gaza by sponsoring an operating theatre for £23,500. Together, as we build this hospital, let us remember all those who have suffered in the region, and let us know that by sponsoring this healthcare facility, we are not only giving hope to the people, but also saving the lives of the mothers of Gaza and changing the lives of the children of Gaza.